Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get cheaper flights right there in American Airlines. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your browser and type in aa.com. You will land on their homepage or americanairlines.com. Right over here you can see if you are the regular customer of American Airlines, you do have a very advantageous option which you will find by tapping on this A Advantage on top and tapping on this A Advantage program. So here in this section you will be able to earn points by whatever flight you take. You will be able to earn miles and loyalty points. Loyalty points will let you have a discount on your ticket price, so that will make it cheaper automatically. For that, all you have to do is tap on not a member, join now, and you're good to go. But if you're a one-time user who would just like to know if there are low prices or low fees available for any flight, all you have to do is access another tab of yours and type in American Airlines low price. Once you have searched it up, simply scroll down till you find this one particular option, which is American Airlines official website in low fares written. Simply tap on that particular one, and right now you will be able to see all of the popular destination right over here, and all you have to do is go to search bar, simply enter and depart and return from to the city over here, and depart and return time of yours. Tap on search. You will be able to search for the flights which are the listed here as low fares for that particular destination of yours. You will be able to get some. All you have to do is tap on it again, book as you would like to do, and you're good to go. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.